Welcome to our YouTube channel, Secret for Engineering. Today's video is all about operating systems and we're exploring 10 crucial questions with their answers. So let's start. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of an operating system? A. Running applications. B. Managing hardware and software resources. C. Creating documents. D. Playing games. So the answer is B. Managing hardware and software resources. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 2. Which of the following is not a function of an operating system? A. Memory management. B. File management. C. Coffee brewing. D. Process scheduling. So the answer is C. Coffee brewing. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 3. What is the role of the kernel in an operating system? A. User interface. B. Central processing unit CPU scheduler. C. File management. D. Application launcher. So the answer is B. Central processing unit CPU scheduler. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 3. What is virtual memory? A. RAM. B. A type of storage device. C. A memory management technique using both RAM and storage. D. Cache memory. So the answer is C. A memory management technique using both RAM and storage. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 4. Which scheduling algorithm is based on priority levels assigned to tasks? A. Round robin. B. First come first serve FCFS. C. Priority scheduling. D. Shortest job next SJN. So the answer is C. Priority scheduling. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 5. What is the purpose of an operating system? A. Running applications. B. Managing hardware and software resources. C. Creating documents. D. All of the above. So the answer is B. Managing hardware and software resources. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 6. Which component of the operating system manages communication between hardware and software? A. Kernel. B. Shell. C. Compiler. D. File system. So the answer is A. Kernel. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 7. What is a shell in the context of operating systems? A. User interface. B. Hardware component. C. Memory management unit. D. File system. So the answer is A. User interface. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 8. Which file system is commonly used in Linux operating systems? A. NTFS. B. FAT32. C. UXT4. D. HFS Jor. So the answer is C. UXT4. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 9. What is the purpose of a device driver? A. Manage files and directories. B. Interface with hardware devices. C. Execute user commands. D. Provide security features. So the answer is B. Interface with hardware devices. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 10. Which scheduling algorithm is designed to reduce the response time of the system? A. Round robin. B. First come first serve FCFS. C. Shortest job next SJN. D. Priority scheduling. So the answer is A. Round robin. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 11. What is the mere function of the RAM in a computer system? A. Long-term storage. B. Temporary storage for data and programs. C. Processing arithmetic operations. D. File management. So the answer is B. Temporary storage for data and programs. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 12. Which command is used to list files and directories in a Unix/Linux system? A. Else. B. Dir. C. List. D. Show. So the answer is A. Else. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 13. What is the role of an interrupt in operating systems? A. Start a program. B. Halt a program. C. Pause the normal execution of a program to handle a special event. D. Create a backup of files. So the answer is C. Pause the normal execution of a program to handle a special event. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 14. Which command is used to change the ownership of a file in Unix Linux? A. Own. B. Chown. C. Change owner. D. Switch owner. So the answer is B. Chown. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 15. What is a page fault in the context of virtual memory? A. The occurrence of an error in a page. B. The loading of a page into memory that was not in RAM. C. The removal of a page from the disk. D. The deletion of a page from memory. So the answer is B. The loading of a page into memory that was not in RAM.